today we're going to talk about who are boundaries really designed for. I'm going to help you out. If you are a person that struggles with, and you say yes often when you really want to say no, we're talking to you. If you're a person who, quite frankly, you find it difficult to understand emotionally and in relationship, where do my responsibilities end and where does the other person's begin? Or perhaps you're like me, you're a people pleaser. See, guys, I grew up as a kid pleasing people in order to feel good about myself. Now, fundamentally, it sounds like that's a good thing, right? You're thinking, what's wrong with being a person that enjoys people and pleasing them? The challenge is when pleasing them says something about you, to you, that's a problem. So for me, I fundamentally, as I grew up, I understood that I had a problem with how I saw myself. And bigger than that, I had a problem with what other people thought of me. And if you get trapped into the zone of caring about what others think, it will cause you to say yes when you really want to say no. And so I want you to understand that on this first session, guys, your goal, your entire goal is to create a scenario where you can say no more than you say yes. Because for you people pleasers, saying yes is a problem. So I want you to learn how to let your yes be yes and your no, no.